Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and this tutorial is about the difference between set to frame size and scale to frame size in Premiere Pro. Let me show you the difference. So here I made a random timeline of some B-roll of New York City, Times Square. The format of this is 1920 by 1080. That's right here. You can see that in the browser. And I want to put a shot in here that's 4K. And so here I have a shot that's 3840 by 2160, so much bigger. So I'm going to put it in between these two clips here. I hit the insert button. So if I look at this clip now, I see it's not filling the frame. So if I go here and I click on it and I go clip and I go to video options and I say scale frame size, if I go to the effects panel here, I can see it's at 100%. When I scale it up, that means I'm actually blowing it up from 100%. So I might lose detail if I blow it up too big, and I don't want that because I might want to zoom in on it and zoom out on it. So I'm going to undo that, and let me undo the set scale. So now I'm back where I started. I have nothing in this and it's bigger than my 1920 by 1080. So this time I'm going to use the other option, video options. I'm going to say set to frame size, and it filled the frame, but you can see here it made it 50% in the scale. So it kept all the information. So basically it just scaled the picture down, so I can blow it up and I would still have a nice crispy picture even if I blew it up twice as big as it is now. So I hope that helps explain the difference between set to frame size and scale to frame size. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or like. See you next time.